Hey everybody, today we are going to be making an amazing Polynesian bread. It's called Pani Popo. It is amazing. I had a friend from Hawaii actually made it for me several years ago, and it just, if you like coconut and you like carbs, this is your dish. Let me show you how easy it is to make. All you need is some bread dough. You can make your own. I chose to buy it this time to cut some time off. I'm using a 9x13 pan. This one's glass. I just prefer the glass. I'm going to spray it down with some cooking spray. Let me show you how fast this is. Okay, we're going to take these, spread them in there. So we have 18 in here. I'm going to spread them out just a little bit. I like mine a little bit more squishy. You can do this how you want. I'm going to spread it over with some plastic wrap, and we're going to let this rise for a few hours. Then I'm going to show you the magic that happens afterwards. Why did you spring the top? Because now I'm going to turn it over. All right, we're gonna stick it in a warm place and meet you back here in about 4 or 5 hours. Okay, as you guys can see, all the rolls have risen quite a bit, and we are ready to put our sauce on, our coconut sauce on. I'm so excited for this part because it's so delicious. Here's how we do this, y'all. I'm gonna take 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk, okay? Brands don't matter, but unsweetened coconut milk. This is different than coconut cream or cream of coconut, totally different. All right, so I'm gonna get this out of there. There we go. So for those of you who are not super familiar with just canned coconut milk, it is very plain, it is very bland, it is not something that you find in your super awesome drinks, but that's what we have this for. That's a cup of sugar. So I want to break this up just a little bit, then we'll add that in. It's been so long since I had Pani Popo, and I absolutely, oh, it's so addicting. I love this stuff. So good. Get some of those bigger chunks out of the way. There we go. Okay, that's good enough for me. All right, we're gonna take the 1 cup, dump that in. And we're just gonna mix this all in until the sugar dissolves. We don't want lumpy sugar bumps in there. We just want it to be one nice sticky gooey mess by the time we bake this. And that's what it's gonna be. Okay, I think it's almost there. I'm gonna let it sit for just a second while I uncover our rolls. Stay. All right. And of course the fridge has to chime in. All right. Okay, I'm gonna take these off very carefully. If you take it off too quickly and it happens to stick, even though we sprayed it down, your rolls are gonna deflate, and that is not something we're going for, so do it very gently. Okay, so we are going to do about, in fact, I'm going to use this. We're not going to do all of it. We're going to do about 2/3 of this mixture, and we're going to save some for after the rolls are done baking for the top. All right, so ever so gently because we don't want these to deflate. So we're just gonna pour those on down. Maybe, I don't know, these are so fluffy, I don't know if it's gonna go down anywhere. There, it's going in there. There it goes. This might be as much as it's gonna hold. All right. Is it going down there? It is, it's going down there a little bit. Let's try a little bit more. We're gonna live on the edge, guys. All right. Okay, I'm popping this in the oven at 350 degrees and baking them according to the roll directions. So if you have made them by hand, if you've hand made your rolls, obviously go by your recipe, but that's what we are gonna do. And then we pop them out. It's gonna be so amazing. All right. All right, see you back here in a few minutes. All right, our timer has gone off. We are gonna get these babies out. Smells amazing. Oh, look at that. This makes me so happy, you don't even know. Okay, now. Yeah, don't do that. That's hot. But they're done. Okay. Nice and bubbly on the bottom. Now, the remaining sauce, let me just stir it up a little bit. Okay, this remaining sauce we're gonna put over the top. Ooh, baby. Snap, crackle, pop. Hopefully it won't get too much spilled on the counter. Okay, I'm not gonna do a whole lot just because there's not enough room, but I'm gonna add something else that you don't have to. I have some shredded coconut, some sweetened shredded coconut, and I've just blended it up to be really fine here. I'm just gonna add them all, little bits on the top. Now these are meant to be gooey, so don't freak out. They're kind of like a little sweet gooey roll. Looks like the middle's sunk in a little bit. Probably because I added a little too much on there, but you get the idea. All right, okay, when these cool down, we can dig in. Okay, they have cooled just enough for us to dig in. Oh, I cannot wait for this. They smell amazing, you guys. I wish you could just smell this right now. I have an idea though. If you make your own, you can smell it anytime you want. All right. Nice and ooey gooey. Just how we like it. See that? Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Stay. All right, let's try this fluffy bunch of goodness. You guys, that is so good. It's so fluffy, and it's just got enough sweetness. This would be perfect for dinner or with coffee or with tea, with a snack. I'm gonna be munching on this for a minute. See ya.